Welcome back. Today I want to walk you through a legit, practical workflow for turning long-form videos into short, attention-grabbing clips without running into copyright trouble. We are going to cover how to build a reliable pipeline that actually grows your audience and revenue consistently. I will show you how to source material, make clips feel original, handle captions and audio, and set up a distribution strategy that makes your daily life much easier. Stick around until the end and I will introduce you to a tool that automates the busy work so you can finally focus on strategy and high-level creativity. First up, finding the right material is usually where most creators get stuck in a rut of chasing viral trends from massive accounts. Instead of hitting saturation and licensing walls, focus on your own long-form archives or collaborate with lesser-known creators who actually want the exposure. If you are a creator with interviews, lectures, or podcasts, you are sitting on a goldmine of micro-moments that have the potential to go viral. When using someone else's content, reach out for permission or find Creative Commons footage, because most podcasters are thrilled to be amplified if you credit them properly. Once you have your source, don't just rip and repost content blindly. You need to look for emotion, surprising insights, or strong punchlines. Think about what the audience actually responds to, such as a bold claim or a funny moment, and search your footage specifically for those micro highlights. For your own footage, you can jump straight into VTs and timestamps, but with external content, you really must ensure the final result feels transformative. Now let's talk about editing, because the goal is to create something that feels new and adds real value to the original. Tighten the pacing so the key moment lands fast, and use contextual text to frame exactly why the viewer should care about what they are watching. You can add visual elements like overlays, motion graphics, or a consistent brand intro to give every single clip its own unique identity. Simple things like a short title card that summarizes the takeaway make the clip feel like a thoughtful new creation rather than just a copy. Audio is just as important as the visuals, so make sure you are using properly licensed music to avoid any platform strikes. Royalty-free libraries are a great resource, but always double-check the license requirements before you hit publish on your final edit. Alternatively, use minimal ambient music so the original speaker remains the focus, or record your own audio commentary to add a new layer of value. Remember that adding your own analysis often strengthens a fair use argument because you are actively creating new context for the viewer. Captions are absolutely non-negotiable in the modern short-form landscape where many viewers watch on mute. Pick a caption style that matches the energy of the clip, like dramatic one-word reveals for intense moments, or rolling captions for conversational bits. Native auto-captioning tools are fine for starters, but they can get clunky when you are trying to scale your production to multiple platforms. This is exactly why workflow automation is the secret weapon for serious creators who want to stay consistent without burning out. I started testing Vizard because it solves the biggest bottlenecks: auto-editing viral clips, scheduling posts, and managing a central content calendar. Instead of spending hours manually trimming, clipping, and captioning, the tool surfaces the moments with the highest potential to perform. Now, to be clear, this isn't a magic black box that replaces your creative decisions. It just speeds up the boring, repetitive parts of the process. You still need to review the clips, tweak your thumbnails, and write captions that match your unique voice and personality. Imagine uploading a 2-hour live stream and having the AI pull out 20 high-performing clips, suggest crop ratios, and handle the scheduling for you. That level of efficiency is a huge multiplier for your output if you are juggling multiple social media channels simultaneously. When you are polishing your clips, always prioritize keeping the runtime short and starting with an immediate high-impact hook. Open with a bold line or a visual element that grabs attention in the first 2 seconds, or use a quick intro card to provide necessary context. Use stock overlays sparingly to reinforce your message, such as a subtle motion graphic or relevant B-roll that keeps the viewer engaged. Aim to export at 1080p with a high bitrate so that your colors, text, and graphics remain crisp when viewed on mobile devices. Packaging is essential for growth, so design a consistent style with your fonts, intro animations, and caption rhythm to build brand recognition. Many editors let you copy templates, but they don't help you with the actual discovery and distribution phase of your content strategy. Using tools that allow for cross-platform publishing saves you from the nightmare of manually re-uploading from scratch for every single network. Regarding monetization, remember that short-form video goes beyond just platform ad payouts. It is a major lever for driving traffic to your other assets. You can weave in affiliate links, sponsorships, or direct calls to action that guide viewers toward your long-form content or newsletters. Always make sure you have the rights to monetize the content, as this keeps your business safe and sustainable in the long run. Before you hit publish, run through a final checklist. Is your license confirmed? Is the hook sharp? And are your captions readable? Did you add a clear call to action, such as asking viewers to comment or share? And have you scheduled follow-ups to maintain momentum? Consistency is truly the secret ingredient, because one great, consistent clip every single day beats random, sporadic posting every time. If you want a practical shortcut, start by running your own long-form videos through an automated service to find your top 10 high-potential clips. Polish those captions and thumbnails, then use a content calendar to drip them out over the next 2 weeks while you monitor the performance. While standard editors are great for polishing a single video, they don't replace an end-to-end system that helps you discover and schedule intelligently. So there you go, a complete legit workflow for turning your long-form library into short, high-performing clips without skirting any rules. The secret isn't in tricks, it is in your process of finding good material, respecting rights, transforming content, and using a toolchain that helps you scale. If you want, I can drop some templates and a sample calendar in the description so you can try the exact sequence I use daily. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you want a deeper walkthrough of the interface, and I will catch you in the next one.